Hey there fam, Matty D, A1 Solutions Group with the video today about how to make more money in 2020. Now, I warn you, this video is very different than what I usually talk about is credit, okay? And it's something that applies to everybody or a lot of people. And I'm saying this right now. You can go on the Google, you can go on the YouTube and type in how to make extra money, all this stuff, and everything else. It doesn't matter if I came to you and I did a video or wrote an article that was online that said, here are 5 100% guaranteed surefire ways you can make extra money on the side, at least $500 a month. If you don't do this one thing, this is the secret that a lot of people don't know, aren't aware of what it takes to make extra money outside of your job. You can make money inside your job and go more, but relying solely on your job income is not enough anymore. It's not, and it'll continue to get like that. That's why you have the rise of the so-called, what's been dubbed as the gig economy. People doing Uber and Lyft and things, because it doesn't matter. If you're working a job, you're solely depending on that. Things can happen at any moment where you're like, crap, I don't have enough. What would I do? And a lot of people overspend. A whole new thing, but I'm going to try to keep this real simple. Okay, I don't care if, again, you look at 2020, 20 ways to make more money in 2020, okay? Kind of funny. It comes down to this one thing. If you do not change your inner game of how you view money, how you look at it, how it can be generated and created, it doesn't matter how many tips I give you, you won't be successful with it. You will have maybe some success, it'll be short-lived, and you'll stop. Because making money outside your job, makes your money, requires you to realize that money is not generated solely based on your efforts. It can be made through the stock market. It can be made through creating something. Selling is a big portion of it. A lot of people don't like to sell, but guess what? You sell all the time. When you go to a job interview, you're selling yourself to them while they sell themselves to you. And then in dating, you're selling yourself to people saying, hey, I'm a good catch, I'm a good partner. But it's not perceived as something, but that's what it is. And if you do not change, again, how you view things on the inside, you won't get as far as you want. It's like you'll always be hitting the same wall over and over and over. I get so far and then I stop and I don't know what's going on. And this is where, spending too much comes in, because no one's really been taught how money works, how you need to look at it, how you can generate more of it. All these different things we're taught: get money, pay your bills, and work for somebody. But there's more to it. We're only given like one piece of the puzzle and told that this is all there is, when it's not. Because here's a question. If it's true, all you do is get a job, pay your bills, and work 40 years if you're set, why are there so many people who are so much debt and everything else and all these financial problems going on? Yeah, you have only a handful of people compared to the millions of people in America who make gobs amounts of money. And you're like, how in the world? Well, because you're not being given all the facts. So you gotta look into yourself, and this is something that's not going to be done overnight. If you really want to change your financial world and not just improve your credit, but also improve, getting more money outside your job, you're going to have to take a deep dive into yourself, your insecurities. Because a lot of times when it comes to making more money, a lot of it stems from how you relate to money, how you relate to a dollar bill. Because some people, and you may not be aware of it, that you may feel like you don't deserve a lot, or you may think money's hard to make and things. And it's all about the inner game. I can give you, this is why you have people who get good jobs and things and screwed up and get fired. And you're like, how is that possible? It's because of the fact that you're not taught how to change your view on money. And I'm saying this right now. I won't go into detail about it as far as this goes. I can tell you this: change the way you look at money. Learn how money is generated, how money is created, how other people earn money, how they do it. And I'm telling you, if you learn that, then you can watch a video, read an article that says, hey, here's how to make passive income, 5 ways to do it in 2020. Because you've now changed your view, your energy on, this is how this works. This is why you have business owners, those are employees, why people who going to make millions of dollars, billionaires, things, because they realize that I can make more money in a different way, versus just me working for someone, working hard as hell, getting getting taxed so much, and then you wonder why you don't get ahead. So, not the sexiest video in the world, but if you take this to heart and really think about it and go, maybe he's right. Maybe he has done something. I'm telling you. Excuse me. On YouTube, go into Google and type in like how to change my view on money beliefs and things, because those things, how you relate to money, is what's really holding you back or propelling you forward from having the career and the financial reality that you actually want and deserve to have. So change this game, change the foundation of the inner game of money, and you'll be great. And you'll be set. I'm telling you. Because if you don't, you will try something and you'll be like, it doesn't work, it's a scam. It's like, look, at the end of the day, it's your financial world. Only you will care the most about your credit. Only you will care about the most about how much money you're going to make and what you're going to do with it. Only you. No one else will. So if you really want to make a change in just your financial world, but everything else, it starts now. It starts now to make that change, to decide, I want to make this work and go out and learn some things. Don't listen to your friends. Ask people who are making more money, who have successful businesses. Ask them, like, what do they do? How do they view things? There's a ton of information out there that can help you. I'm only one person out of many. All right. So, with that being said, appreciate y'all. Comment below your thoughts on this. And any questions or anything, hit me up. And then that's it. Happy holidays. And remember, we're still doing a special right now, $100 off. All that fun stuff. All right. Peace.